Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, it's 2 p.m. and I haven't had the time to record anything for the vlog since morning because I got up in the morning at about 8:55 and I slept 8 hours last night, which is great. So I had salad last night and I didn't have coffee. So keeping my stomach light and not having caffeine helped my sleep, which got fucked up the night before. So I'm happy with that. And then I had I think I had drank Nibu Pani and I had apple cider, which I've started having recently. So then I had that and I headed for the gym. So 10 o'clock I hit a class, which was, what did I do? Upper body today. And then I hit the gym, I did my crunches and pull-ups. So 11:30 I got done with the gym. Then I came back and I took a shower, and just like that it was about noon, right? It was noon. So I skipped breakfast today. I mean, the idea was to skip lunch, but since I hit the gym in the morning at that time, and by the time I came back it was almost noon. I had lunch only, and I had some fish and egg fried rice left over from yesterday's lunch, which I had today. So so some protein in the rice, some carbs with the rice, and fish, obviously protein, right? So I had that, and since then I've been trying to upload yesterday's vlog. That's what I did. I reviewed some payments that I'm supposed to make. There are a lot of payments that go in the first week of May, and I get worried about that. But yeah, whatever. So I did that, and I have uploaded yesterday's vlog, and I'm recording this now, and I'm gonna upload a reel from the comedy video and the short right now. After that, what am I doing after that? After that, I'm learning a course on Urdu vocabulary, which I'm going to spend like 15-20 minutes on. It's like a bunch of videos. I've done like 30-35% of it right now, so I'm doing it slowly. But I have an agenda to learn something, right? So right now I'm learning Urdu vocabulary. कोई रंजिश मत रखना मुझसे. And then I'm going to head to the bank. Because there's a loan that got over, but SBI is harassing me. No, okay, fine. They're not harassing me right now, but I'm getting calls from SBI that the loan is not over. All installments are full. So I think they need to close it physically. So I'm going to visit the branch again. I visited last week, but this lady ghumaud me, right? Oh man, these nationalized banks. I mean, I had to take the loan from SBI because the interest was low. Otherwise, I wouldn't have opted for a nationalized bank anyway. But SBI and at Golf Course Road, having said that, has really good service. So fine. So I'm going to head to the bank. That will be about 3 p.m. And then I'm going to head to Delhi. I have a spot at a comedy theatre, newly opened comedy theatre by Adil Rahman. The spot is at 6 p.m. Then I'm going to head back to Gurgaon. I am hosting the show at 8 p.m. Then I have a spot at Nerds of Comedy again at 9:30. That's the day. Rest of the day. And then I'm going to come back and sleep. I'll try and sleep before midnight today. That is the plan. मुझ पे इल्ज़ाम लगा है कि मैं नंगी पुंगी फ़ोटो डालता हूँ. मैं इस इल्ज़ाम को बिल्कुल मानता नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि मैंने आज तक कोई पुंगी फ़ोटो नहीं डाली. Secondly, even this vlog, for example, if I'm recording from home and it's summer, I know I'm topless right now. So I can't even be bothered with it, because sometimes I suddenly have this thought that I haven't recorded anything, and then I get too lazy to kind of dress up. I'm too hot anyway, so I can record myself like this, so it's fine. So see you guys later. Hey guys, I'm heading to Delhi now, and I'm at the metro station. And one thing I just realized that I've gotten so used to having my headphones on my neck, listening to music. Now I was supposed to be listening to music as I'm going to Delhi, but now I forgot my headphones. I listen to music in the metro, and then I walk and I'm listening to music. I always have music on me, and today I forgot my headphones. I'm feeling like, what the fuck. If I walk, I can't listen to music.
I'll probably read the book. I have the book with me. I'm reading *Sapiens* still, so metro ride will be fine. But I mean, like right now, I would be listening to music in case I have the headphones on. It's fucked up. But yeah, I'm heading to the gig. They have one ticket plus they rely on busking. Hopefully the gig happens. Otherwise, heading to Delhi is quite a pain if the gig doesn't happen. Feels like a waste. Okay, see you a bit. Hey guys, the evening has been pretty productive. I went to Delhi to Comedy Theatre, and the last time I'd gone there, the show didn't happen. Today also the 6 p.m. show started at 6:35, but there were like 9 or 10 people, and really nice audience. And I did really well. I kicked ass. I think I'm kicking ass almost every day now. I think I need to work on some new jokes to humble myself, because I know new jokes when I start working on, they won't work as well. But like couple of jokes that I started working on about a month back are absolutely killing. So I'm pretty happy with that. Then I came back. I started hosting this gig at NOC, and I did really well again. I mean, the room got blasted. I did a spot where I did those jokes, and I hosted, and I did excellent crowd work. So both the shows went well. So I'm walking now. This is called Vyapar Kendra Market, where I used to live like several years back. So I'm walking right now, and I'm having this juice. It's called Anar. This got Anar, pomegranate. Is that how you pronounce it? Then it's got some beetroot, it's got some apple. And after that I think I'm going to close my day early and sleep early, because I'm not taking any more spots. I'm not requesting any more spots. So I'll just go home. Tomorrow there's 2 shows at Guptagu, and there's then Sunday there are 2 shows at Guptagu. So yeah, I'll hopefully try some new shit. For now I'm walking, and you can see this market. It's a pretty busy market as well. There are a lot of people, not on this side, but on the other side of the market there are a lot of people. It's called Vyapar Kendra, the business center in Gurgaon. Okay. Hey guys, it's an early day review today because it's about 10:35 right now, which is early for me because I generally end my days close to midnight. I went to Delhi and performed at Comedy Theatre in Haus Khas, and it was great audience, really nice audience, and had fun. I have closed a couple of jokes which have been killing for a while now, and I need to either expand those jokes or I need to work on new jokes. So I'm going to do that from tomorrow. And I also performed at NOC. I started the show hosting, but then eventually it became a rolling show. That's fine, but I did an up top, and then I think I would have done about 20 minutes within 3 spots. Then I went to Vyapar Kendra Market to walk, and I had juice, which is nice, anar, apple, beetroot juice. So hopefully that will help my digestion. I'm hitting the gym at 7 in the morning tomorrow, 7 and 8:30, because again I want my evening free for the weekend. So I'm gonna sleep early. But good day. Met a lot of comics at different comedy clubs. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, that's it. That'll be it for the day. Good night. Bye. You know, another thing I did which I forgot to put in the day review was when I was walking in Vyapar Kendra, there was this old couple. They were just like singing and playing some instrument. Basically, they were, singing there, performing there, and hoping for some food, some money, and whatever. Like, I don't know if we call them beggars, because they're not really begging, they were performing. So they were kind of earning whatever they were getting, I guess. And I asked them if they would want to have bread pakoda, which was available there. They said, nahi sir, aata dila do. And I went to a grocery store and I spent 160 rupees on a pack of atta. एंड आई गेव इट टू देम। और आंटी ने दुआएं दी मुझे, दुआएं चाहिए मुझे, तो मैंने 160 रुपये में दुआएं खरीदी। पता नहीं सस्ती खरीदी है महंगी।